This will be our final result. First, open up Premiere Pro CC 2019 and import your video. Let's start with a new project. Make sure you are on the Effects workspace. On the bottom left, right-click and select Import in order to import your video. Right-click it, and select New Sequence from Clip. To create a text, go to File, New, Legacy Title. Name it and press OK. Click inside to type in a text. On the right, click and drag to change its size. Select the Move tool to move it, and in order to center it, click the buttons under Center. Drag the text above your video track, and change its length as needed. On the top right, go to Video Effects, Keying, Track Matte Key. Drag and drop it on the video track. Under Effect Controls on the top left, select your video track from the list under Track Matte Key. Let's check it out. All done. Please subscribe.